Hello guys and welcome to Learn Coding Skills. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can check which version of Java you have. So we're going to look at two different ways. One is through command prompt and the other is through VS Code. So for command prompt, all we have to do is open it up and then type in Java-version. And here you can see I have version 19.0.2. So now to do it in VS Code, first of all, we obviously have to open up VS Code. And then we'll need to open up terminal. So we can do that in a couple of ways. We can either go up here and press terminal and then new terminal, or a shortcut is we can press control and apostrophe. And now we can type in the same thing, Java-version. It shows the same thing. Thank you guys for watching this video.